Hey, it's KJ. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of a veranda room on the Disney Destiny. So without further ado, let's check it out. So we are room 7626. I thought we had a Hercules room because of Hercules, but you'll see the theme that we have. So walking into our room right here on the right is the light. So make sure you bring an extra card. Don't use your key to the world card because we made that mistake on the Dream, even though it wasn't our first cruise. So don't do that. Get a different card. Bring an old Disney World hotel room. Whoops, the door also slams, be mindful. And then the first door, we have a veranda room, so we have the split bathroom. So right here on our right, we have the first bathroom. So we've got a sink over here. You have your tissues, some extra toilet paper. You've got sanitary disposable bags. You've got a little garbage can, the sharp tarp over there. You've got another little shelf over here for storage. Here you have your toilet brush cleaner. You've got your toilet paper over here. And then as far as storage, you've got a couple of shelves over here. You have some hooks. So if you have a toiletry bag, you could hang that from here if you like. The key is vertical space in these hotel rooms. Then we've got your towel over here. We actually purchased 2 of these on our last Disney cruise. They were new ones. They are the hand towels with the Disney Cruise logo. And then over here you can see me. Hello guys. We have more storage over here. We've got 3 shelves. Here is your sink and your Disney soap. We have the sea salt hand soap, cleanses with a seaside scent. And then up here, I'm noticing we have an outlet. It's up really high. So we've got that. And then when you come out, we're actually gonna go right to our right over here. And then you have your thermostat right there. Oh, actually, one thing I wanna point out, they do have a light underneath over here, like a night light, so you can find the restroom in the middle of the night. And then over here, the next door we've got is the second bathroom. So here we have a vanity, you've got your tissues, you have another garbage right there, some extra towels, the hand towel. And on our left, you have the light switch with the hand towels here. And then, well, not hand towels, sorry, the bath towels here. You've got a couple of hooks here to hang them on if you like. You have some shelves over here, 3 shelves over here. You've got some lotion. We've got the makeup washcloths, which I love these. You've got your washcloths here. Then here is your sink with your Disney soap here, Disney Cruise Line sea salt bath soap. You've got your mirror that lights up all the way around. Again, hello. We've got our shower over here. Now, I feel like this is going to be an unpopular opinion, but so you pull it open like this. I actually like the showers better on the Dream and the Magic class ships because I like that it is a curtain. I prefer the curtain. It's just easier to bathe my kids. But in here, we have, here is the faucet. You've got the shower, the removable shower head. Then you have this thing here, which attaches, well, actually this attaches over there if you want to hang anything up that is wet. I typically don't use this. I've used it a couple times, but I feel like every time I use it, it hangs super low. And you've got your shampoo, conditioner, and your body wash. And just to give you guys an idea of how high the shower is, so I'm gonna flip you around so you guys can see. So I'm 5'6", so here, well, let me take my ears off so you guys can see. I'm 5'6", and you can see like the shower head's like right there. So someone like my husband who is 6'2", it's a little bit tight of a squeeze. So if you are taller, like I said, I'm 5'6", and it's like right there. Maybe if you're about like 5'10", you might just fit, but I'd say beyond 5'10", you're probably gonna have to take it off to shower. So that's what Johnny probably has to do because like I said, he's a tall guy, 6'2". So coming out of the shower, you also have a full-length mirror here. So here is your full-length mirror. So when you're getting ready, you can check out your fits for the day. I have on my traditional Disney Cruise Line shirt that I made in my Cricut. Traditional? It's a tradition in my family to wear this on Embarkation Day. So back to the front here, you have your assembly station. We are queued. And then over here, I just want to say it's very dark in this hallway. I don't care for that. I guess maybe because this lights up. So you've got a closet here. So it's 2 doors, but it's like split. So on this side, we have a single stroller. I do like that it fits it perfectly. On the Magic, they were sliding doors and we could not fit both of them with the doors closed. So you have this here, you have a shelf down here, you have a couple of drawers. Down here, you have your safe over here. We've got your laundry bag here. So if you wanted to send out your laundry, you could do that. This is the laundry service. There's 2 slips here, so you could use, I'm sure you could ask your room host for another one. It does not want to go open up, you guys. Okay, so here is your laundry room service. So these are what everything cost to have them laundered. And then you have the laundry bag here. They do have a laundry room on deck 8, so that's 1 deck above us. So maybe I will be doing some laundry. Here are 2 of our life vests. And then right next to that, we have the other closet. So here we have the second closet, and we can fit our double stroller in here. Ours does fold inward like that, so it makes it really easy. You have the ladder if you're using the bunk bed. We are not using that on this trip. So then over here we have 4 life jackets, so I guess we have 1 extra one. And then right over here, I like this, all of the shelving here. So you have 4 shelves over here. I have my little fanny pack right there. And then coming over this way, you've got the bed. So here's a look at the bed. We have a Mulan room. As you recall, a few minutes ago, I said I thought we had Hercules based on our door, but that's not the case. So you have the artwork light, the down light, and then you have to turn these on. So this right here turns on this lamp, and what I like, look at the little detail there. You've got Mickey there, that's really nice. And then this is your reading light, so you would just turn it like that, and then the reading light comes on. Now, this cruise, I bought a plug. I bought a European outlet. However, you have a USB and you have a USB-C. So I thought I was being smart by buying the European outlet, which I guess I could use on other Disney cruises because I don't believe they have these options on the Dream or the Magic. So actually, I don't even remember this being on the Wish, to be honest. You guys will have to let me know in the comments down below. But I do like that they added that you have the option to do that. But again, I also have the European outlet. And then we have your floating nightstand right here with a drawer. And then over here, we've got our Disney bedding. If you guys look closely, you can see the Disney Cruise Line logo here, and you can see it on the pillows as well. And you've got Mickey over there. Now here is our Mulan light. Now I don't know if we have the let's see. Oh, so that is the light for the artwork. So the light for the artwork is up here. I thought maybe it illuminated it over there, but it does not. So here is our bed. You have your Disney Destiny blanket here. Here is the bed. And then on the other side, you can see my kiddos, we have this nightstand, the floating nightstand, same thing. You've got your lamp, your reading light, and then you can turn everything off here. I do have one of my cruise approved outlets. So, but here, I don't even know if I need it. You've got 2 outlets here, and then you've got 2 USB-Cs here. I need a few USBs, so it actually works out that I can use that there. And then we've got a drawer. Now, I want to show you under the bed because right now all of our bags fit under the bed. Now, we don't have a lot of bags. We always use carry-on only, but everything fits. So we have, I believe, let me think. I think we have 8 bags total, including my little snack bag on the end there. There's a lot of storage under here. So if you want things out of the way, you can put it under the bed. Now here is my darling family on the couch. And then above that, we have the Mulan artwork. I was really hoping for Hercules. We do love Mulan too, but we got a Mulan room. Then up here is the bunk bed that pulls down. We will not be using that. And then Johnny's hitting the couch. The couch does turn into a bed. And then over here, you have the Murphy bed. So my daughter will sleep on the Murphy bed. And here we have a little closet for even more storage. Lots of storage. Thank you, Johnny, for your service. Then over here, we have the veranda. Oh, this one's a big one. Okay, hold on. Usually Johnny takes you out on the veranda. So you know what? I'm going to pause here and let Johnny do his thing after.
All right, I'm taking over. So we're going to first open the veranda slider, twist all the way around, slide. Oh, there's music playing. Hopefully that's not going to be an issue. I think that's coming from the princess ship across the way. So yeah, let's take a look at our veranda. That's one chair. We got a table. We got another chair. We got pretty good square footage on here. I don't know if it's wider, but it definitely feels deeper. Let's see. Let's count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's probably about almost 7 feet in depth. My feet are exactly a foot long because I wear a size 12. So 7 feet. That's pretty deep. We're still in the port at Fort at Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale. That's where the Destiny is going out of. Across from us is where the music's coming from. That's a Princess cruise ship. Down there is the city, part of the city of Fort Lauderdale. Actually, no, the city of Fort Lauderdale is actually in the distance there. So yeah, we stayed overnight in the hotel right kind of there, and we drove to the port this morning. But here is the veranda. I will only get a room with a veranda. KJ could probably take it or leave it. I think she'd be okay with a porthole room, but I have to have a veranda room. I often will come out here in the morning and sit and watch the ocean go by if it's a day at sea, or sometimes at night if we're leaving a destination. So a veranda is a must for me.
And now I am back. So thank you, Johnny, for sharing that with us. We have a pack and play for my 2-year-olds. We've got some moose shoe artwork here. I guess that's probably for the door. That is the door stop. So if you did get adjoining rooms, which we don't have this time, I think we've only had adjoining rooms just the one time. And then maybe on the Wish we also had a door. We did not use it, but on the Magic we did not have a door for adjoining rooms. So this actually is the door stop, but you could use it as a hook if you wanted to. We also have a diaper genie, so you can request these ahead of time. And again, here's the adjoining door. Then over here we have your glasses, which I now know they put these on top to keep the dust out. So I did not know that. Then over here you've got your shelves. So you've got 3 here. And then I think this is the inaugural cruise. Yes, we did get inaugural sailing Castaway Club merch. Then over here we've got an outlet, 2 USB-Cs, another outlet, and then here the European outlet. So I could probably use the European outlet over here. That will probably work really well. Then here you've got your different lights. So we've got the mirror light over here. So if you're getting ready, they do have an ottoman over here, but actually let me backtrack. This is probably the beverage drawer. Yes, they've got the beverage cooler drawer here. Okay, Johnny wants me to put his beverage in there so you guys can see me putting the beverage in there. So we've got the beverage cooler here, you've got a drawer here, and then you've got a drawer over here with a hair dryer. And then if you have like a curling iron or a straightener, which I don't have on this trip, you can put that in there to keep it cool. You've got another drawer here, another drawer here. And then again, here's the ottoman. And then this drawer, this has got some fun stuff. Now, if you watched my What You Could Take Home for Free on a Disney cruise from your stateroom, I shared a lot of this. So you've got some letterhead here. You've got your Disney Cruise Line envelope. They've got 2 of them there. You've got your Disney Cruise Line pen, which we always like to take home with us. It doesn't want to focus, guys. Let me put it down and then hopefully it will focus for you. There we go. So we got your Disney Cruise Line pen. Then they have a postcard here. So we've got 1 postcard, which I believe you can mail out from Castaway Cay if you wanted to send a postcard. And then here, we've got a couple of these, the menu that you can get a continental breakfast for. So what you do is you fill this out, you write your room number, name, and the number of people, and then you can check off everything here, write your room number and guest name, and you can get a continental breakfast. You can write down what time, some juices, breads and pastries, condiments, cold cereals served with milk, what kind of milk, and then beverages. So, and then it says, please indicate the amount in the box. So that is that. So we usually do that like once on the cruise. Then over here you have your phone. We've got a couple of more shelves. And then over here you have your TV, and we're watching Groot, the little Groot shorts. And that's it. That's the whole room. So I'll do a quick pan here. You guys can see my kids again and Johnny. And that's gonna do it for our room tour. Disney Destiny, room 7626. So I just wanted to insert this clip of how the room is set up. We have the bunk bed. We took the ladder off. We actually didn't want the bunk bed up, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So the ladder goes here, and then those are the beds. You've got the pack and play, which we'll put my 2-year-old in. Then over here is the Murphy bed with my daughter. But what I wanted to show you that's super cool is that there is a light switch here. So you can turn the light on and off. And then it has 2 USB-Cs here. We also have like a little table that I did not share earlier. And I have the iPad set up for her to watch something before bed because she can't see the TV because it's all the way over there. Also on the bunk bed, I discovered there is a charging outlet and a light. So you can turn the light on and then you've got a charging port over there too, which is super cool. So if you're in the bunk bed, you still get a little light and charger. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this veranda room tour on the Disney Destiny. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new and you like the content. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a dragon for Mushu in the comments down below. And with that, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.